Respected sir and hello everyone, I'm Fatima and today I'm going to talk about fear. So, do you know what is fear? Everyone has different types of fear. I think being scared of something is not bad and it's not good also if you take it in a positive way. So it's good. Like everyone has different types of fear. Like someone has fear of darkness, someone has fear of heights, someone has fear of water. It's really normal to be scared of something. It just depends on you that how you have to deal with it. Like if you have a fear of failure, so you take in a positive way and you did hard work, so you don't have to just because you don't have to. So you did hard work just because you don't have to be failed in your exam or whatever, and you don't want to be face your fear. So and so you did hard work for it. That's a good way of it. And at the same time, you take it in a negative way, a fear of failure, and you stop trying just because you are not ready to see yourself at your lowest and you are scared of seeing yourself failure or something. So I think that's a negative way of it because you stop trying just because you are not ready to see yourself failure is not good. You stop trying and everyone can do anything if they want. So I think fear is not bad. You just know how to deal with it. That's all about fear.
According to you, what is actually fear?
Fear is a feeling and fear is a thought also, and fear is something like someone is scared of something.
Do you think fear is good or bad for the person?
It depends on the person actually how they take it. Like if they take it positively, so it's good for them, and if they have that courage to deal with it, so it's okay. And if they are take it negatively, so it's bad for them. So it depends on the person.
Can fear make us strong?
Yes, fear make us strong, but not all the time. Sometimes fear make us strong.
How can fear make us strong?
Sometimes fear make us strong because if we have that courage to deal with all the problems and if we want to escape from our problems, so it's good and it's make us strong. Fear make us strong and we also learn from our fears and all. And by fear we can escape from many problems.
How can we overcome fear?
Um, we can overcome from fear by facing it regularly. If we face our fear daily, so we can make we can be strong and we can face all the problems. We should identify like what kind of a fear we have. Like if we have a fear of speaking in front of everyone, so we should try to speak in front of everyone. That's why we can overcome from our that fear, and we should first identify like which kind of a fear we have. So
What do you think? Fear is just an imagination or a feeling?
it's depend on the person. Like if someone has a problem in their life, so and they are scared, so that's called a feeling. And if someone overthinking and creating a thought in their mind, so that's the imagination. So it depends on the person.
Things. Lots of persons are unsuccessful in their life because of fear.
I agree that many people are unsuccessful in their life because of fear of being failure or whatever. That's their imagination. They are thinking a lot. They don't try the new things. They just saw the people and thought if they try, what if they fail? So that's why they stop trying because they have fear of failure. That's they will overthinking about their particular fear. They don't try to identify their fear. That's why they are unsuccessful in their life. And if they try to identify their fear, so must be they will successful in their life.
What do you think? Sometimes fear protects us.
Yes, sometimes fear protects us. Like if someone have a fear of height and they face their fear and they go to the like on a building and there is going to something happen bad with them, so that's why their fear can save them because going to something bad happen with them. It protects us from bad happening.